issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Warren County in southwestern Ohio, northwestern Clinton County in southwestern Ohio, southwestern Greene County, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:49 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Lebanon, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lebanon, Springboro, Wilmington, Waynesville, Morrow, South Lebanon, Clarksville, Harveysburg, Martinsville, Corwin, Bowersville, Port William, Fort Ancient, Lytle, Mount Holly, Lumberton, Oakland, Pekin, Gentown, and Cedar Creek State Park. This includes Interstate 71 in Ohio between mile markers 28 and 58. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. The National